What if I told you that while you're burning 20 hours writing a single script that barely hits 1,000 views, there's a secret AI system that's already written the scripts behind videos getting millions of views right now? And here's the crazy part. Most scriptwriters have absolutely no idea this exists. I'm about to expose the exact AI tool that revolutionized my entire scriptwriting process, grew my channel to 30,000 subscribers in just 120 days, and became responsible for my 100+ daily revenue streams. But first, let me ask you something that might sting a little. Are you one of the 91% of content creators whose scripts never even reach their full potential? Because if you are, I know exactly what's happening to your content right now. Your scripts are failing to hook viewers in those crucial first 15 seconds, causing them to click away faster than you can say, subscribe. Look at this brutal reality. This is what most scriptwriters' audience retention looks like, a devastating 22% average view duration. But this is what happens when you use the right AI scripting system. 65% retention that makes algorithms go absolutely crazy. Here's the harsh truth that nobody wants to admit. You're probably not naturally gifted at writing scripts that keep people watching. You might have incredible ideas, valuable knowledge, and years of experience, but translating that into a script that psychologically hooks viewers and keeps them glued to their screens, that's an entirely different skill that requires deep understanding of psychology, pacing, and human behavior patterns. And even if you were capable of mastering these psychological triggers, it takes 15 to 20 hours of focused work to transform a decent script into something truly exceptional. Most creators simply don't have that kind of time to invest in just one single piece of content. So what are your options? Option 1. Hire a professional scriptwriter. But at the top level, they easily charge anywhere from $200 to even $1,000 per script. And even then, they might not capture your unique voice or understand your specific audience. Option 2. Use generic AI tools like ChatGPT. But here's what I discovered after extensive testing. Generic AI tools produce generic results that sound robotic and fail to implement YouTube-specific retention strategies. But there's a third option that changes everything. Meet Poppy AI, but not the way most people use it. I've developed what I call the AlgoScript method inside Poppy AI that puts every other scripting tool to complete shame. This system grew my new channel to over 30,000 subscribers in the first 120 days. I created all these high-performing scripts in less than 60 minutes each, about topics I sometimes knew absolutely nothing about, yet they get recommended by algorithms constantly and generate consistent revenue. But here's what separates this from everything else you've tried. This isn't just about writing faster. It's about writing smarter, using proven psychological frameworks that are scientifically designed to keep viewers watching until the very end. Here's exactly how the AlgoScript method works, and why it's so devastatingly effective. Step 1. The foundation board. Inside Poppy AI, you create what's called a board. Think of this as your scriptwriting command center. In this board, you can upload any piece of information: documents, PDFs, voice notes, images, and most importantly, YouTube videos and articles. Step 2. The 3 critical groups. My AlgoScript system uses 3 essential information groups that work together like a perfectly orchestrated symphony. Group 1. The Ultimate Script Guide. I've spent weeks developing a comprehensive 21-page step-by-step document that teaches the AI how to write the perfect script for any platform. This includes my flatline hook formula that transformed my retention graphs from disaster zones to engagement goldmines. Group 2. Topic-specific research. For each script you want to create, you build a topic group and add 3 to 5 of the best videos, articles, or research materials about your subject. This gives the AI all the factual information it needs to create accurate, engaging content. Group 3. Your personal style DNA. You add your last 6 to 9 pieces of content to a My Style group. The AI analyzes these to understand your unique voice, vocabulary choices, personality quirks, and communication patterns, then applies that authentic style to any new script it creates. Let me show you this system in action. I'm going to create a script about how to start a profitable YouTube channel in 2025. A topic that's incredibly competitive but also highly valuable. First, I link all my groups to the AI chat by simply dragging these connection points. Now, the AI has access to my ultimate script guide, my research about YouTube growth strategies, and my personal communication style. Here's the single prompt I use. Create a 12-minute YouTube script about starting a profitable YouTube channel in 2025. Applying the advice from the ultimate script guide, referencing the YouTube growth research group, and writing in my authentic style. In less than 60 seconds, it generated a complete, strategically crafted script. When I analyze the word count and speaking pace, this comes out to 11 minutes and 47 seconds. That's only 13 seconds off from a 12-minute target. This isn't just theoretical. Let me show you the real-world results this system produces. My channel hit 100+ daily revenue using scripts created entirely with this system. I became a top affiliate for multiple products I promote, not because I'm a natural salesperson, but because the scripts kept viewers engaged and built genuine trust. Now, here's something special I've created exclusively for serious content creators who want to implement this system immediately. I put together a complete algo script template board inside Poppy AI that includes everything you need. My entire 21-page ultimate scripting guide, the complete algo script framework with all psychological triggers, 100 proven viral hooks that you can adapt for any niche, and the exact system I use daily to generate revenue-producing content. Here's exactly how to get it. Click the link in the description to sign up for Poppy AI. Use code SCRIPT25 to get $25 off your subscription.